Marco Colbert, Speedokote Refinish Network. Well, I can't say this is first, and I can't say it's going to be the last. We got somebody else's paint job we are going over. Just totally dulled out. The clear was super, super thin. Already, as you can see, we had a bunch of chips we had to sand out on the hood. Now this one specifically is for a dealership, so we didn't go crazy with it. We sanded out with, I believe, 320, then 400, then 500. We're going to hit it with the Speedokote Jet Black base coat. We're going to use some slow reducer today to get it to flow out super flat and smooth. And I haven't quite decided yet, but I'm probably going to use the brand new Fast Dry Euro Clear on this job. I've been getting some pretty crazy results lately with the new Fast Dry Euro Clear, so probably going to top it off with that. And for all these little burn through spots you guys are seeing in the plastics and the hood, I'm going to show you guys a little trick I like to do for that right before paint that requires zero sanding.
There's many different products you can use to go over burn through spots and bare plastic and stuff like that. This is just one product I use, which is the SMR 225. It's kind of a good product just to kind of grab in a pinch and go through burn through spots, little small bare plastic spots. Really good product for that, and requires zero sanding. And then moving on to the base coat process, we got the jet black base. We use the slow reducer, laying it on super light, which is a nice perk of the slow and the extra slow reducer that Speedokote sell, is you can lay it on super light. It'll look orange peely when you're first applying it super light, but then you come back in like 10 to 20 minutes, let it fully flash, and it's like, it is seriously flat, and it has an insane sheen and almost already has a gloss to it because of just how flat and perfect it flows out and lays out.
paint job. The Fast Dry Euroclear, 66 cents an ounce. We use 80 ounces. That came out to about 53 bucks. The Jet Black Base Coat, $1.24 an ounce. We used 36 ounces of that. That came out to about $44. Throwing in a little bit of reducer, about $5-10 worth of reducer, and there you have it, $100 paint job. A lot of you guys are going to wonder for a cheap paint job how I got this to lay out so flat, and then it's actually because of the Speedokote slow reducer. I used a slow reducer. I did 3 really light coats, and my base coat, by the time it was done, was butter smooth, super flat, and already had a little bit of a sheen to it. So then any clear coat you put on top of that, if your base coat has a nice sheen to it, super flat, super smooth, it's going to look amazing, super high gloss, and a very flat finish. As far as the Fast Dry Euroclear, guys, this is 1 coat of clear. Remember, I did this for a dealership, so high solids clear, 1 coat. I figured that'd be enough, and this is the result we got. By means, definitely not a show quality finish, but I would say for a quick dealership job, 1 coat of clear, this thing came out nice. Just goes to show, guys, when you use products that work with you, not against you, you can get really, really good results even in the worst of circumstances. Somebody gives you a budget that is just really below your means, but you get it done to get the money in the door, and you can still get some really, really crazy good results. If you guys are looking for the best, most affordable auto body products in the world, head on over to www.speedokote.com. They have everything you need to get your projects done. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.